Hello everyone, welcome again. In this video we are going to learn about how to write in different languages using your Android mobile phone. So here I'm writing my name in Hindi. So मेरा नाम जसकीरत है. So this is how I'm using my mobile's keyboard, but I'm writing in Hindi. So let's get started. So in order to write in different languages in your mobile phone, you have to install a keyboard, that is Google Indic keyboard. So I'm opening up my Play Store here, and here you have to search for Google Indic keyboard. So this is the application that you have to install into your mobile phone. So click on install to install this application. So once it's installed, just open this application. So these are the steps you have to follow in order to install this application in your mobile. So step number 1 is to select Google Indic keyboard in your language and input settings. Just click on this button here, enable in settings. So here you have to enable your Google Indic keyboard. So just slide this button to the right, so it will make this active here, and click on OK. Now step number 2 is to select Indic keyboard as your default input method. So just click on select input method and select the second option, that is English and Indic language. So Indic means Indian languages. There are 11 languages from where you can write in your mobile phone. Step number 3 is for better typing suggestions, please grant following permissions. So just click on set permissions and click on allow. And fourth step is accept. Just select this checkbox here and drag your screen to the right. So all is set. Just click on this button here and click on get started. So here you can do certain settings, but you can leave this alone, so it doesn't matter here. So our Google Indic keyboard is installed here. Now I will show you how you can use this application in order to write in different languages. So for that I'm opening up this Word application. Just click on Word, and here you can see I have opened up a document 1 here. Now here I will write in English. So here I'm writing here in English here. So I am writing in English. So you can use English as well as other languages. So next one is I will show you that how you can write in. You have to type anywhere, like I'm typing here. So here you can see a language sign here. Just click on that. Now you can see we have different languages like Hindi, Odia, Kannada, Tamil, Punjabi. So there are different 11 languages here. Just click on OK. Now it is asking you to how you want to write. So here we have Likhen. So Likhen means you are typing in English, but it will convert your English translation to Hindi. So you have Likhen. So you can use any option that you want. I prefer this Likhen, your first option. So just click on it. So now I'm writing in Hindi. So I'm writing मेरा नाम जसकीरत है. So this is how I can write. So to change any language, just click on this button and click on this language and click on other language. For example, I'm using Punjabi here. So again, choose any option from this keyboard here. I'm choosing this Lik here. So I am writing in English, but it is typing my name in Punjabi. So मेरा नाम जसकीरत है. So this will also show you some suggestion that you can use. So to change the language, just click on this language button and choose any language that you want. So and click on Likhun. So this is how you can. I do not know Bengali, but if you are a Bengali, then you can write in Bengali language. So that is all, guys. This is how you can write in different languages using your Google Indic keyboard. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.